Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Initia token. Ticker symbol is Init, I-N-I-T. Now this token is going live for pre-market trading today. So these are the pre-tokens that just went live today on a very big central exchange, April 11th. We're going to go over the information on the Initia token and talk about how you can get these pre-tokens. And we're going to do all that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So Initia is a network for 0 to 1 Omnichain rollups built by fusing a novel L1 with an interwoven application-specific L2 infrastructure system. The Initia platform provides product-ready rollups that enables teams to build scalable and sovereign systems while eliminating the UX complexities end users face when interacting with a modular multi-chain universe. Initia's ownership of the full tech stack allows for a suite of chain-level mechanisms that align the economic interests across users, developers, L2 app chains, and the L1. Their webpage is initia.xyz. Over there you can find tons of links for developers, their document sections, GitHubs. In the corner of the screen here, I'm going to put their Twitter, @Initia. A network for interwoven rollups. You can see they have a Discord there that you could join if you want to talk to other community members. It says testnet is live. Their webpage is linked on the Twitter as well. And 202,900 Twitter followers. Very popular project. Gold verified checkmark. 1,534 tweets. Very active on the socials. And it was just announced that Lbank will have this token live. It says new pre-market listing. The Init token will be listed in Lbank pre-market. So you'll be able to get this token today, April 11th, 10 a.m. UTC time, which is already passed. So the pre-tokens are available right now on Lbank. Now keep in mind, pre-tokens are not the same as the full token. Basically, it potentially lets you get pre-tokens at favorable prices before the initial listing of the actual token. The TGE, when it occurs, most likely the full token will be listed on Lbank as well. But for now, you can get the pre-token. So if you don't have an Lbank account, you could download Lbank from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or you could open an account on your PC. You would then fund your account with USDT. After that, you'd go into the pre-market trading zone and you would search INIT, the ticker symbol for this token, and then simply just buy the pre-tokens. So for now, you can get the pre-tokens and stay tuned. Follow the Twitter. Follow Lbank's Twitters, and they will tell you when the full listing, the TGE, will occur. So Initia's core philosophy is to make an opinionated decisions on the underlying infrastructure such as data availability, interoperability, and oracles. By reducing decision fatigue, the interwoven stack empowers developers with the tools to craft application-specific environments while maintaining unfragmented accessibility to the application ecosystem. So they have an interwoven stack. It says, discover the framework that powers the Initia's rollups. Enshrined liquidity. Initia's solutions to bootstrapping cross-chain liquidity while maintaining network security. They have a VIP program, Initia's incentive program that aims to foster long-term ecosystem-wide alignment. You can start developing. Deploy your own rollup. Learn how to easily deploy your own rollup from your own computer. Start developing, deploy, and interact with contracts on interwoven rollups on the various VMs. So they have high-level architecture. Initia's architecture is composed of 3 main components. Initia L1. The Initia L1 is the base layer and central liquidity hub for all interwoven rollups. Now they also have the interwoven rollups, an ecosystem of blockchain rollups built atop of the Initia L1. And lastly, the interwoven stack, Initia's framework for easily and painlessly building rollups and applications. On their webpage, they have Medium articles. You can check airdrops. They have the Twitter. They have a Discord. You can check out the interwoven economy, the stack. Build button, start button for users. They have a governance section where you can participate to shape the future of Initia and its ecosystem. They have analytics, view various statistics about Initia's and its economy. And developers, there's the GitHub where you can view the Initia codebase, and the documentation where you can learn about Initia's architecture and developer environment. It says, enter the multi-chain Garden of Eden. Initia unites full-stack apps and unlocks value through interwoven infrastructure and aligned economics. Now, they have on their document section, you could check out Initia L1, the interwoven rollups, the interwoven stack, vested interest program, Initia DEX, enshrined liquidity, the minute swap, tooling, and on the tooling section, they have Bridge, and they have the Initia wallet widget. So it says here they have the minute swap, which is Initia's proprietary solution to address the user experience challenges with the withdraw challenge periods and optimistic bridges. While a longer challenge period increases the duration in which a challenge can be made, it simultaneously increases the wait time required for withdrawals and the motivation, while optimistic token bridges between a layer 1 and layer 2 chain provides a secure way of transferring assets between chains. It comes with various downsides like long withdrawal times, single sequencer risks, and lack of liquidity. And their solution, the Minute Swap DEX, is designed to allow users to freely, quickly, and efficiently bridge tokens between Initia L1 and rollups. Users looking to bridge back to Initia L1 from a rollup can simply utilize a Minute Swap along with IBC to swap their tokens back to Init without waiting for the challenge period to expire. So you can check out this plus more on docs.initia.xyz. Now let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.